Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on this channel. Today's video is a little bit unusual because it's not the regular sewing tutorial or fabric embellishment tutorial that we are used to. But I had to do this video because I know that a number of our subscribers here on this channel are also growing YouTube channels like mine, which might also want to get the knowledge of this. Now, when you link your YouTube channel to your AdSense accounts, that is after you have hit the 4,000 watch hour and then the 1,000 subscribers, you are still going to like not get the revenue, and you're wondering that, okay, where is my money? Now let me also mention before we go into what I actually did, please note that if you are a growing YouTube channel, you need to meet the YouTube requirement, okay, of 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers, okay, and also you need to have actually linked your YouTube channel to the AdSense account. Do the two-step verification. It's something you can do once you get the congratulatory message that you can now join the YouTube partner. You get it in your email, or you also get it in your channel dashboard. Okay, so once you get that, you can just follow the steps, or you can just come on here on YouTube and also search. So if you have gotten those requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and you have also linked your AdSense, and you get the confirmation that okay, everything is successful. Now this video is just all about what you need to do next after you have actually hit that monetization threshold, after you have actually linked your YouTube channel and you are waiting and you're wondering, where is my money? You all know that this YouTube channel just hit the monetization threshold just recently, and just like everyone else, I went ahead and I linked the channel to the AdSense account. I got a confirmation that okay, congratulations, you are in, and all of that. And then I was just waiting, waiting for the money. And I just wake up every day, go to the YouTube Studio app, and I just see $0. And I'm wondering, okay, where is the money? Okay, where is the money? Just because our friends, I kid you not, this actually took like 1 week. I was just waiting. I was just confident that it's something that I've not done anything wrong, because I was so careful when I was actually filling the forms and also doing everything that is expected of me to do. So I'm like, did anything go wrong? All right. So, and I just had to go online, but I couldn't really get so much. And that's why I'm doing this video for somebody out there that you have done everything you need to do. And then you're just waiting. You don't know what next to do. This video is just all about that. So the next thing that you need to do, I'm going to be sharing my screen to you so that you can see everything that you need to do. Don't go anywhere. This video is going to be really, really helpful to you.
All right, now, so once everything looks good on your page, once your page is linked to AdSense account, you should get this message in your email. And once you get this email, it means that you are good to go. The next thing you want to do is go to your browser and head on to studio.youtube.com. And once you get into your channel dashboard, go to your N icon, this N icon that you see on your left corner like this, and then you click on it. Here is the mistake I made. After I click on that, all I saw was this part where it shows getting paid, no action needed at the moment. So I just went ahead to say, okay, maybe there's nothing I really need to do, and that was why I had to like wait for a month. You can even see that when can I set up payment, say we will notify you when you are ready to complete the setup. So I didn't know that there's something I had to do until I finally found one content by one Indian guy, may God bless him, that showed me that I actually need to continue with this get started. So once I click on this get started, I got to the next YouTube terms and conditions. So you want to read up all of those terms and conditions, and then you click this I accept the watch page terms. So once you click that, you can now click on accept and next. And once you click this accept and next button, it's going to take you to this page. So you can now go ahead to turn on the earn from ads. So once this is not turned on, you cannot earn. And this is just what I didn't do that made me have to like wait for a week while I was seeing the $0. So when you turn this on, this is going to now take you to another page, which is this, and then you have to just click next. All right, so once you click next, you are going to get to see this, and then you go ahead to click monetize all. So this tells you too that you are now ready for monetization, and you can see that there's like an additional column on this monetization part in my dashboard. You can see where you see that green dollar sign. So where you see that green dollar sign, that simply means that that video is ready to be monetized. So for your video to be able to get to show mid-row ads, you need to actually have the video to be 8 minutes and longer. So now I'm going to check for this video right here is 8 minutes long. So click on that dollar icon. Once you click on that, you are going to come and check this show mid-row ads during my video. So check it. Now after you check that, you go ahead to click on manage ad slots. Once you click on that, you are going to find this interface right here, and then you can see all of the multiple ads that YouTube has placed in your video. Now if your video is longer and you want to have more ads, here is what you are going to do. You're going to come downwards to this band wave of your video right here, and then you move that cursor and then you click right there at that point. So that tells YouTube that you want another ad there. Then come here up here to click on insert ad slots, and that's how you will get another ad being placed at that point right there. Also, the video may have too many ads. If YouTube plays too many ads on your video, it may discourage your viewer. So if you have too many ads, come on to your video. I'm going to show you how to also do that. Click on that $ monetization sign. Once you click on it, check show mid-row ad during my video, and once you check that, the next thing is to click manage ad slots. So once you click that, it brings you here, and then you can see that I have 3 ad here. Now I don't want ad to play at 1 minute. I don't want to discourage my viewer, so I just come on to click this delete sign that you see beside the time, and it tells you that if you want to delete this, it means it's not automatic anymore. So you click that, it can go ahead, and then you come here to click continue, and after that you come here to also click save. So once you save it, the number of ads that you save is what's going to be there. So it's very important that you check this so that you do not have too much ads or less ads on your videos. So do this for most videos that are more than 8 minutes. And once I go to the end page, on the watch page ad, this is what it is now showing. It's now showing that I'm now earning from YouTube Premium on the watch page. So this is what I'm supposed to have, and I leave this for 24 hours. I wake up the next day, go to my YouTube Studio app, and then I can see this 19 cents. Can you see? Unlike before, in the last 1 week, everything that I can see is 0. So I really do hope that you find this helpful. So if your page is monetized and you can only see $0, I strongly advise that you try this. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.
And that was all that I did. Now you can see on my screen right here that I woke up the next day, which is this morning, and I saw 19 cents. You can see it right there on the YouTube Studio right here. And if I go to the end button, you can see all of this medium by which I earn, by watch paid ads, short view ads, all of this. These are the ways by which I now earn. Okay, so this is just what you need to do. This changed the game for me. Instead of you waiting and waiting and waiting. All right. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're all about the sewing channel, if you're just a growing channel, I wish you all the best as you work hard towards your monetization as well. Also, wish me luck in the comment section, because this journey is going to be so long, like you all know, and it's just getting started right here. So just wish me luck, and I can't wait to see you again in this next sewing tutorial.